our English Language Club.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome to our English Language Club where you explore the world of English literature and language. In the club, we are giving you the best environment, learning environment. For a peaceful environment we are giving, where you can learn lot of things, where you can improve your skills, where you can develop your capabilities. Yeah, your skills are already there, yeah. And where you can share your ideas, where you can share your creativity. Here also you can make new friends. Other section today you are making new friends. Other number we are having discussion, we are having games, language games. It will make you to learn English more joyfully. Yes or no? Aim of English Language Club ஓடது வந்து என்ன? எங்களோட எய்ம் வந்து என்ன அப்படின்னா is to build confidence. உங்களுக்குள்ள ஒரு கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் வந்து வளர்க்கணும் அப்படிங்கறத எங்களோட எய்ம். இன்னும் லாங்குவேஜ் கேப்பபிலிட்டிஸ், உங்களோட மொழி சார்ந்த அறிவுல உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் நம்பிக்கை வேணும், அதை வளர்க்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் நம்மளோட எய்ம். அதுவும் இல்லாம டு டெவலப் கிரிட்டிக்கல் திங்கிங் அண்ட் டு டெவலப் கம்யூனிகேஷன் ஸ்கில் அண்ட் டு ஃபோஸ்டர் லவ் டு லேர்ன் இங்கிலீஷ். இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் மேல இங்கிலீஷை வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸா நீங்க லேர்ன் பண்ணக்கூடாது, ரொம்ப ஜாய்ஃபுல்லா ஃபீலிங் ஃப்ரீயா அதை வந்து லவ் பண்ணி நீங்க லேர்ன் பண்ணணும். அது ஃபோஸ்டர் லவ் டு லேர்ன் இங்கிலீஷ், அதுதான் வந்து அல்டிமேட் எய்ம். ஓகேவா? ஐ இன்வைட் all of the students to support each other, to share each other and to make this English Language Club a grand successful one. Pannila? Okay. Shall we start? Okay, let's invite 7th year girls. Thank you so much. நீங்க வந்து ஒரு 10 minutes தான் வந்து ஸ்டெப்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்தாங்க. நிஜமாவே எதுவுமே ஃபார்வர்ட் பண்ணாம கரெக்டா கண்டிப்பா give a big clap for 78 girls. Okay, next thing வந்து we'll be having our quarterly examination. Have you got your timetable? Your quarterly examination starts from 20th September. 20th September start ஆகுது. So அது ரிலேட்டடா கொஞ்சம் memory poems 2 marks 5 marks அந்த மாதிரி கூட நீங்க வந்து சொல்லலாம். அது it will be very useful for you for your exams. அந்த மாதிரி யாராவது சொல்றீங்களா? Memory poems. Before that, let's invite 9th year girls Rakshana and Bhavya. Give a big clap. And Vignesh will give a big clap. First என்னன்னா உங்களுக்கு நீங்களே வந்து you should encourage. நீங்க தான் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை என்கரேஜ் பண்ணணும். உங்களோட சீனியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸை நீங்க தான் வந்து என்கரேஜ் பண்ணணும் இல்லையா? எப்பவுமே ஒன்று தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, யார் வந்து அடுத்தவங்க பாராட்டுறதுக்கு இந்த மனசு இருக்கோ அவங்களுக்கு தான் பாராட்டுகள் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ என்கரேஜ் அதர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.
Hello friends. Hi friends. ரக்ஷனா உனக்கு இடியம்ஸ்னா என்னன்னு தெரியுமா? தெரியுமே. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் தமிழ்ல சொல்றியா? ஒரு கருத்தினை குறிப்பால் உணர்த்தும் சொற்றொடர்கள் இடியம்ஸ் எனப்படும். வார்த்தைகளின் நேரடி அர்த்தத்தை எடுத்துக்கொள்ள கூடாது. ஓகே, நான் இடியம் சொல்றேன், நான் மீனிங் சொல்றேன், நான் தமிழ் அர்த்தம் சொல்றேன். Earn one's name to become famous. பிரபலம் அடைதல். In the rear of. At the back of. பின்புறமாக. To see one fight. To make them fight. சண்டையிட தூண்டுதல். Devoid of. Without having. இல்லாமல் இருதல். Air and manner. Behavior. நடத்தை. Quick as a flash. Very quickly. மிகவும் துரிதல். In wild as. Too quickly without planning. திட்டமின்றி விரைந்து செயல்படுதல். Make a pass. To oppose. எதிர்ப்பது. Hungry as a bear. Being very hungry. மிகுந்த பசியால் இருதல். Gruff as a deer. Being unsociable. பழக இயலாத குணமுள்ளவர். Until then, bye bye from Bhavya Vigneshwari Rakshana.
Can you give a big clap? சில ஸ்பீச் கூட you can give இல்லையா? ஒரு டீச்சர்ஸை பத்தி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸை பத்தி you can give speech. ஓகேவா? Let's invite Vigneshwari to give speech about teachers. Give a big clap.
Very good morning.
இது யாருடா? சரி சத்தங்க இப்படி
Very good morning. Today we are here to celebrate a very special day, Teachers' Day. This is the day when we thank our teachers for all they do for us. Our teachers are like guides to us. They help us learn new things every day, not just from books but also about life. They teach us to be kind, honest and hardworking. A teacher is like a gardener who takes much care of young plants. Just like the gardener, water and prod of these plants. Our teacher nurture and minds and hearts. They encourage us to be well. We should always respect our teachers and follow their advice. They work very hard to make sure we have a very wonderful teacher. Today let's say very big thank you. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Vigneshwari. Next, let's invite Haribalan from 10th A to recite the memory poem. Come fast.
Hey.
Life, let me but live my life from year to year with forward self and underleft and soul, not hurrying to, not turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear in the dim past, nor holding back in fear from what the future wise, but with a whole and the happy of that lays its soul to youth and to age and the travels on with cheer, so let the way wind up full of the hill or down over rough or smooth, the journey will be joy, still seeking what I sought when but a by new friendship, I adventure on the ground. My heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road lost and will be the best. Henry Van Dyke. Thank you.
Okay, give a big clap to Haripala. Next, let's invite Sivaranjani from 10th A. All students should come and recite. எல்லாருமே கண்டிப்பா வந்து you should say.
Life, making back in my life from year to year, with forward gaze and intellect and soul, not hurrying to, not turning from the goal, not whirling from that is the real, that is the real. If the case was not holding back in here, from the water future is but it is whole and happy that is this good. To you the gaze and travels on its year, so take the mind of the hill or joy. Over a bus smooth, the journey will be the joy. Still seeking makes clear by new friendship and on your crown. My heart will keep the courage of first and roll laughter will be the best. Henry Van Dyke. I am every woman. A woman is beauty in it. A symbol of power and strength. She put her life at stake. She is here. She is no fake. A summer of life. She is ready to spring. She saw spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the ones who were near. She the woman, she has no fear. She strong in her faith and belief. Persistence is key to success, everything. She saws, divide the signs and grounds and mounts. She strong and she has faith and firm in her belief. She is a lioness, don't match this hair. She will not spare you if you are prankster. Don't ever try you. Her pride, her self-respect. She knows how to saw you, beware. She is today woman here. Love her, respect her, keep her near, Rocky Lion.
Very good. Correct. Next invite Jayashree from 9th A. 9th A யாராவது மறுபடி சொல்லணுமா இல்லையா?
On killing a tree, give a pattern. It takes much time to kill a tree, not a simple job of it. Life will bring it. It has grown slowly, consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing about years of sunlight, air, water, and out of it, sleep earth, eyes, spouting heat. So have can the but will follow, won't do it. Will rain, not so much pain will do it. The bleeding bark and hell and form to close the ground. Will raise colored green strings, miniature about fishes unchecked, will expand again to former size. Thank you, sir.
Very good, ma'am. Next, let's invite Danyashree from 10th A.
Good afternoon to all. Let me but live my life from year to year with the forward face and unrelenting soul. Not hurrying to, not turning from the world, not mourning for things that disappear in the dim past, nor holding back in fear from all the future days that days is stored and happy as the days is stored. To youth and age and travels on its here, so let the way wind up the hill or down, over rough or smooth the journey will be joy. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy, new friendship, high adventure and a ground. My heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope roads faster will be the best. Thank you so much.
Give a big clap for yourself. You perform on a lot, Rahul. Give a big clap. Juniors, thank you. Clap. Go. Thank you so much.